And today I'm using a Nerf gun to shoot down them targets over there. The red ones. The red one. 1 minute, guys. I'm just going to turn the light on. 1 minute, guys. Enjoy. That's better. So yeah, guys. Let's get straight into this. And yes, I am in my pajamas. I just woke up. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. And yeah, first shot. 6 bullets in here. First one is disaster. Second one, disaster. Guys, that was amazing. But I've accidentally broke the whole thing. Oh, shoot it now. Yay! Guys, you're probably wondering why I have a balloon in my house. I'm a bit old to have a balloon. But I've invented something called balloon football. It's where you play football with a balloon instead of real football. But this is only for inside football. Balloon football is only for inside. You haven't seen this position before, have you? Yes, a new position to you. And it's a new position to me. I just decided to put you guys there. Balloon, go away! Alright guys, let me go. I think I hit a target with my balloon. At least I hit 2 targets there, guys. Amazing shot. I did not take this bad boy out. In my second shot, guys. That was amazing, guys. Let's go again. Miss. Oh, boys! And it's over. The last bullet I hit the bottom left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Five, guys. I've only spent 5. Oh, Jesus. Guys, I've lost one more. Oh, no, here it is. Don't worry, guys. Guys, here's the 6 bullets. Guys, I did well last round. See if I can do well this round again. 2 to beat. So guys, so let's go for the outside one because they're hard. Balloon hit. Oh, strike! Hit that dead on, guys. What the hell? I just hit that dead on. YouTube. Huh? You doing the YouTube video? One on the third shot. That bad boy was a good one. Oh! And that's it, guys. Whoa, that was a good one, guys. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that one. I hit 2. So guys, I'm just putting them back up now. Ready for the next one. 1 bullet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bullets here, guys. Did quite well on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Broken. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bullets in there, guys. Let's do well in the next round. Guys, this is the round. This is the final round I can do this. Am I gonna hit them all? Let's just find out. First shot. Oh, I'm gonna roll. Oh. I hit 2, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out for once.